Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to hack the Wi-Fi password with WPA WPS tester. This video only for educational purpose, not only for any illegal activities. This video and this app will be used at the time of password is number in digit form that time. And subscribe to my channel and share this video. Any problem, just comment on comment box. Thanks for watching. Let's start. For hacking of the password, just you will download the WPA WPS tester. First open your Play Store and search in the search box WPA WPS tester, then search it. I have already installed this application. Then open the application. Then tap on the agree. It will be shown like this. Then enable your location. Then refresh it. Then select the Wi-Fi. Then warning will be shown like this. Click on S. Then connect to automatic pin. Tap on that. It will be take some time, like 30 seconds, 1 minute. Then it will be connected. Connection is succeed.
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Start twerking like Miley.